Hello everyone, welcome back once again. This is Shashi from Shashi Tech. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is a full stack development and who is called as a full stack developer. We are living in a virtual world, right? Many problems can be solved by using a software application. These software applications are three types. One is desktop based application, one more is client server application, finally web based application. What is desktop based application? A desktop based application is an application which runs only on a particular system. It may be a calculator or Adobe Reader, Photoshop, Word, etc. And second one is a client server application. What is this client server application? A client server application is an application where the installation is done on the server side. Example, ATM machines. You have seen the swiping machines. These are the example for the client server application. And finally, web-based application. Web-based application is an application where we do not need to install anything. Directly we can browse. It may be many apps. It may be websites like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or Flipkart, Amazon, so on. This web-based application has three layers. One is a presentation layer, one more is a business layer, and finally database layer. We shall understand one by one. What is this presentation layer? For example, if you visit a website like Amazon.com, www.amazon.com, you will be seeing many products. You will be seeing many products. The presentation layer is a layer where the user can interact with it. And the next layer is business layer. As soon as you search some product in the website, searching will happen in the business layer. Whatever the product you search, it will happen in the business layer. And next one is the database layer. The database layer is a simple. When you create your account in the Amazon.com, you will give your details, that is address, it may be a phone number. As soon as you save the details at once, you need not to enter again and again. This data will be stored in the database. This is called as a database layer. Elementum, I can give a restaurant as an example for the full stack development because it includes presentation layer, business layer as well as the database layer. How, if you ask me? As soon as you enter into the restaurant, the bearer will provide a menu which contains the list of food where you can interact with the bearer and you can order. This is called as a presentation layer. As soon as you order, the bearer will give that list to the kitchen people. They are going to prepare a food for according to the order. That is called as a business layer. After that, the bearer will distribute the food to each and every person. Do you know how the bearer will distribute the food? Because he will remember which person has ordered which food. This remembering is called as a database layer. In the layman terms I am saying, into this I can say the restaurant is an example for the full stack development. In industry there will be a professional for each layers, for presentation layer and also business layer as well as the database layer. If you ask me, among these which one I select? If you are very creative and good at designing, you can go for the presentation layer. If you are very good at logic and coding, you can go for business layer. Or if you are very good at solving a queries, you can go for database layer. Okay, what we need to learn in order to go for presentation layer, in order to go for business layer, in order to go for the database layer. If you want to go for the presentation layer, you must learn HTML, CSS as well as the JavaScript along with some framework like Angular and the React. If you want to go for the business layer, you must have knowledge on some programming languages like Java, Python, C# and so on. If you want to go for a database layer, you must have a knowledge on SQL, NoSQL or Oracle and some of the other database languages. It is called as a full stack because these layers are present one above the other. Single person should handle all these layers at a time. Anything which is present one above the other is called as a stack. Hence it is called as a full stack. In future I will be doing classes on HTML, CSS, JavaScript and this is about the full stack development. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.